A salad can make a whole meal in the summertime that will make everybody happy. And what you can do is you start with some, your normal salad greens that you can get at the farmer's market, nice organic greens, and then you grill a bunch of vegetables. And we grilled onion, red pepper, mushrooms, eggplant, and some zucchini. And all I did was cut the vegetable and then brush it with a little olive oil and set it on the grill. And it gets nice and tasty like that. You could put some herbs or garlic or whatever in that olive oil, but we got such a good dressing that I don't want to overwhelm it.
Hello?
So I can put all these vegetables actually in here with the greens.
Yeah.
And then I'll make the dressing. And the dressing is a sweet poppy seed dressing. So it's going to have poppy seeds in it. It starts with extra virgin olive oil. There's a fourth of a cup of that that goes in.
Your husband's on the phone. He wants to know what's the difference between virgin and extra virgin olive oil.
Oh, well, the extra virgin olive oil is the extra virgin olive oil is the first pressing of the olives. Then I'm going to put
She
some
says there's something
vinegar
about they
in.
press it twice, and I don't know. I reckon I just get the extra. That's probably better for you.
So I'm going to put some vinegar in. This is brown rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons. And you could use the apple cider vinegar, but I want kind of a light, sweet vinegar in this because this is a sweet dressing. So I'm also going to put a little maple syrup in here. You could put honey in there or a little sugar if you don't have maple syrup or honey. You just want some sweetness in the dressing. And then the tang, of course, is going to be this little bit of Dijon mustard, which is really good in there. And then I'm also going to put poppy seeds. Yeah. That's the whole thing. And you'll notice I put it all in a jar. And that's how I like to make dressing, is put it in a jar and then just shake it up. Boom. Now there's one other ingredient in here that gives it a lot of flavor. I grow herbs on my porch in pots. I just love fresh herbs in the summer. So I'm going to snip a little dill in there. So this is some fresh dill right from the pot on my porch. It's so sweet. And this is the best way dill doesn't really chop up too well with a knife, but works really well if you just snip some in there. This will be very, very tasty. Yeah. Okay, then I'm going to give it another shake and put it on my salad and toss it, and it's ready to go. And the cool thing is, if you wanted to make this a whole meal, nothing else but this salad, you can put some grilled chicken on here or grilled shrimp, or you could put some fried tofu or baked tofu on there, or chickpeas. Cooked chickpeas are nice on there. He didn't get it?
Now he wants to know about something, how mushrooms is made.
Well,
I don't know what they are. I know what's mushrooms, but he wants some kind of other little something shiatsu.
Do you know how to Google, Daryl?
Yeah, but he's on the phone.
Okay. And then I'm just going to top it with some feta cheese. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. Daryl, we need to have a little talk. Did your mom ever go over some of the basics, of
I think
how things are made?
I think you ought to talk to him.
Yeah, okay. Hello? Nobody's there.